Hi, this is John Gales. Welcome back. This is Automatic Index. It's all about the codes, part 3. And to shorten things up, I'm going to combine parts 3 and 4. And I'm going to concentrate on a couple of new codes that are used in a trial of court template and, of course, the transcript. So if we go back to our template where I have all the codes typed in, nothing new as far as the witnesses. On the exhibits, rather than just identifying the page where the exhibit is identified, we're also going to talk about when the exhibit is received or entered by the court. And you'll see we have index 3 and index 4, counting from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And to see what this index looks like in action, I have a completed index here. If I go to view, you'll see it's quite long, but once you get the codes entered into your transcript, it just takes a second to create this. And I'm going to go to page 358 here. Where I have some exhibits being introduced. Now I'm not going to go over manually entering these codes. You can refer to previous videos for that. I do have a macro that I use when an exhibit is identified in court. I have it assigned to Control-Shift-7. Now you see my cursor is on number 58. I just press that and the little stick pin appears. And you'll see I have the index heading on B. The number is in there, 58. And then I've got the index cell 3 code. So that's telling case to put this in cell 3. And then the off code. Now, another way to get rid of that. Another way, of course, to get this in there is to use an include file. I hit F9. I just call it your exhibit ID. Now this put a space in there, I'm not sure why. Put the stick pin in there and the codes are here. You'll see I just have a placeholder and I would have to type the number in there. That's a quick way also to do this. Get rid of that. Now you'll see though that we have exhibits 58 through 73 being identified here all at once. So you don't want to go through what we just did that many times. So Case Catalyst has a nice shortcut for this. If you go up to Edit, Insert, and then Make Exhibit Index Entries. And this nice box comes up. And exhibit range, so again we're talking about 58 through 73. And B is our category for exhibits. And I've got these checked here in the correct spots. And we want cell 3 to be used. Down here on the bottom, we want to add a description. So I will hit OK there. Up here, text, you can see 58 is filled in for us as the first in our range. And these are credit union records. So I can type this text in as my description, and they are all the same. So what I can do is hit repeat description. Now if they were different, you would just keep that unchecked and just type the description for each exhibit. But since mine are the same, I will just check that and then just simply hit done. And now I have one stick pin. It starts on 58 here. If I go to reveal code, though, you'll see all the codes here for the different exhibits. So that's a very fast way to get those in there. And then if I go to a couple pages later, they are received, and I have used the same method to put these in here. So we would go again up to insert, and our range is the same, 58 to 73. And what we want to use for we want to use index heading only because we don't want the description here. And you see I checked that, and then this is grayed out here for the description. And then index heading, we want to use 4. And I would just click, and it put all the codes in there. And now I don't want to have duplicates, so I will just, I can show you how to delete these. It's going to take a little second here to delete all these. What I'm doing is just backspacing and hitting hitting OK. See, we're up to 62 here, 63, 64. Oops, did it again. If I were to leave this in there, I would be getting some kind of error message because of the duplicate entries. All right, I've got those removed. Now, going back to my index, I'm going to delete, go to Tools, Index. I'm going to delete. You can see now it's gone. And again, we have the index position code. It's telling Case Catalyst where to put the index. To run it, I will go to Tools, Index, Build Index, and I've called this the Video Template Trial. I've got that chosen already, and I would just hit OK. And there, look at that. I've got a 9-page index created in a second. Perfect formatting. Now, you can see here that on the left page here that the index goes past page or line 25. And I've got a macro. I can put my cursor right there and just got the macro up here on my bar. And now I've got that moved down. You can see 72 has gone to the next page, and I've got a couple rows with descriptions. And then I can keep doing that as many times as I need to. And that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope I have helped you in creating and using the automatic indexing feature. Goodbye.